These new Chinese AI models are insane and they are completely free. Today, I am going to show you 3 brand new AI models that just dropped out of nowhere. One of them has over 1 trillion parameters. One of them can see, hear, and think at the same time. This changes everything. Let me break it down. So here is what just happened. A mystery AI model showed up online. Nobody knew who made it. People tested it. They were blown away. Everyone thought it was from DeepSeek. Nope, it was from Xiaomi. Yes, the phone company. They secretly tested it under a code name called Hunter Alpha, and it went viral before anyone even knew it was them. Now they have officially dropped 3 new models, and I need you to pay attention because this is a big shift in how AI works. The first model is called Mimo V2 Pro. This is the big one. It has over 1 trillion parameters. To put that in simple terms, this thing is massive. It also has a 1 million token context window. That means you can feed it entire books, entire websites, huge amounts of data, and it just handles it. But here is the part that matters most. This model is not built for chatting. It is built for doing. Think about that for a second. Most AI tools right now are like having a conversation. You ask, it answers. Mimo V2 Pro is different. It is built to plan tasks, execute workflows, use tools, and complete entire jobs with very little input from you. So instead of you telling AI what to do step by step, you give it a goal, and it figures out how to get there on its own. That is a huge difference. We are talking about AI that actually works for you like a team member. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Now imagine this for a second. Let's say you run a community like the AI Profit Boardroom. You could tell this model to go research the top 10 AI automation tools this week, write a summary for each one, create social media posts about them, and draft an email to send to your members. And it just does it step by step without you holding its hand. That is the power of an AI agent. And that is what Mimo V2 Pro is built for. It is also strong at coding and reasoning. So if you need it to build automations, write scripts, or solve complex problems, it can handle that too. They say it has already processed over 1.5 trillion tokens globally. That is not a small test. That is real world scale. The second model is called Mimo V2 Omni, and this one is wild. It is a multimodal model. That means it does not just work with text. It works with text, audio, images, and video all at the same time. So you could give it a video and it understands what is happening in that video. You could give it an audio clip and it breaks down the conversation. You could show it a picture and it analyzes it. All in one model, no switching between different tools. They tested it against other big models and it beat them in audio reasoning, speech understanding, and video forecasting. That is not me making things up. Those are their benchmark results. Think about what this means for someone running a business. Let's say you have a sales call recorded for the AI Profit Boardroom. You could feed that entire call into this model and say, pull out every objection the prospect had, summarize the key points, and suggest how to improve the pitch next time. And it does it because it understands audio natively. Or let's say you have a bunch of tutorial videos, you could feed them in and have the model create written guides, pull out timestamps, and generate social posts based on the best moments. That is real automation. That saves you hours every single week. Now, the third model is Mimo V2 TTS. TTS stands for text to speech. This one converts text into realistic sounding speech. It is built for things like narration, voice assistance, and even scenarios where you need multiple speakers. Now, I will be honest with you, text to speech is still hard. Getting it to sound natural over long pieces of content is a real challenge. Short clips can sound amazing, but the longer it goes, the harder it is to keep quality consistent. So keep that in mind. This model is impressive, but the technology still has room to grow. But the fact that Xiaomi is building their own TTS model tells you something. They are not just making one tool. They are building an entire AI ecosystem, the brain, the senses, and the voice, all from one company. Now let us zoom out and talk about why this actually matters. Number one, AI is moving from chatbots to agents. That is the big shift. We are going from asking AI questions to assigning AI tasks. Mimo V2 Pro is built for exactly that. It plugs into agent frameworks. It can run workflows end to end. This is not future talk. This is happening right now. Number two, the AI race is speeding up fast, China is not sitting on the sidelines. Xiaomi is going all in on AI over the next few years. That is a serious commitment. And it means the competition between these big AI companies is only going to get more intense, which is great for us because more competition means better tools, faster improvements, and more access for everyone. Number 3, these models are not just smart, they are practical. Strong reasoning plus the ability to actually execute tasks is the combination that makes AI useful in the real world, not just for demos, not just for benchmarks, but for getting actual work done. So what should you do with this information? Start thinking about AI differently. Stop thinking of it as a chatbot. Start thinking of it as a worker. Look at your business, look at your workflows. Ask yourself, what tasks am I doing over and over that an AI agent could handle? Content creation, research, data analysis, email drafts, social media outreach. All of these are fair game now. If you are part of a community like the AI Profit Boardroom, start sharing what you find. Test these models, build workflows, show others what works. That is how everyone levels up together. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below and let us know what you think about these new models. Which one are you most excited to try? And if you want to rank #1 and get more customers, join the SEO Elite Circle. That is where we actually teach you how this works. No theory, no recycled tips, just the exact AI SEO systems we are using right now. We break everything down step by step with real workflows, weekly live support, and clear actions you can follow without guessing. If you are serious about scaling with SEO and AI, this is where you start. Hit the link in the description and join the SEO Elite Circle today. And if you want to rank #1 and get more customers, join the SEO Elite Circle. That is where we actually teach you how this works. No theory, no recycled tips, just the exact AI SEO systems we are using right now. We break everything down step by step with real workflows, weekly live support, and clear actions you can follow without guessing. If you are serious about scaling with SEO and AI, this is where you start. Hit the link in the description and join the SEO Elite Circle today. Alright, thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.